Wow! What's up guys? This is Ron from Ronan. So habang punong abala ang lahat sa darating na Pasko, especially yung mga nagko-collect, yung mga fans ng Starbucks, like us, kami ng wife ko before, talagang madalas kaming mag-collect ng stickers. So ngayon, siya na lang halos yung nagko-collect. Parang traditional na, no, na kailangan may planner ka from Starbucks. Hindi ko alam kung lahat, pero kami ganun. Kailangan may planner ka from Starbucks na magagamit mo for upcoming year. So ngayon, we have this auntie, so that is Tita Gloria, the best Tita Gloria of all time. So sa mga nakakilala sa kanya, comment kayo dyan. So yon, binibigyan kami palagi every year kasi nga doon siya bumibili ng gamot sa Mercury Drug. So lagi niya kaming nireregaluhan ng planner. Nung nagre-regalo na siya, hindi na ako kumukuha sa Starbucks kasi solid din yung mga planner ng Mercury Drug. So habang punong abala ang lahat sa pag-collect at paggamit ng Starbucks planner, we will unbox this Mercury Drug Suki Planner 2026. So ewan ko kung may nag-unbox ng ganito, no? Pero talaga hindi ko muna siya binuksan kasi gusto ko ma-unbox in front of you. So, this is color blue. And then, nung bumibili ako ng gamot ng vitamins namin, parang yellow na lang yung available. So, hindi ako personally ang Suzuki card. So, yung tita namin. So, siya yung nagre-regalo nito sa amin every Christmas. So, iba-iba kasi yung team ng Mercury Drug Suzuki Daybook 2026 Planner. I mean, iba-iba yung team nila every year. So, this year, let's see. Pero yung colors sila, parang mostly iisa lang. Ganito din yung colors last time. So, this is the front cover ng walang plastic. As you can see, may light or may sun. So, for me, this is really deep, no? So, lahat kasi ng something sa planner, feeling ko may meaning. So, if I were to brand this, or if ako yung gagawa ng planner for Mercury Drug, Suki, Daybook 2026, kaya nila nilagay ito. So this is around hope. So ito, no, at least parang yung the sun will rise again. And then merong parang may journey dito na may tao, parang babae na she is seeking dun sa mismong dagat. So parang tayo, no, hindi natin alam, kaya nga may kanta na row, row, row your boat. So hindi natin alam what the future holds. So tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. So with this planner, I hope na ma-plan natin yung 2026. Not hope, we will do it. So yan, i-open natin. Wow! I think I'm the very first na mag-unbox ito. Ganda. Grabe. Front and back. So, yung texture niya, it's parang paano ba? Hindi ko alam ano yung tawag dito eh. So, maganda. So, look at this. Dreams in motion. O, di ba? Hindi ko na nakita yun na. So, dreams in motion. Ayun kasi yung, yung meaning for me, no, nung nakita ko tong sa frontage nila. So, maganda. Dreams in motion. So, 2026, medyo madami tayong plans on how to do well in life and how to expand our current businesses and yung family, of course. So, sana ito yung maging isang way natin to organize our life. But then again, we shouldn't expect, no? Para kasi hindi natin alam ano pwede mangyari. So, open natin first page. Wala. And then next page. Wow. So, may clip pa siya. So, this is not clip. I think, ano tawag dito ma? Yung pang, sa book? Bookmark, parang ganon. Oh, hindi rin siya bookmark. Natatanggal. Magnetic. May kasama siyang ganito para kung saan kinatapos. Bookmark. Ganda. Salute sa Mercury Drug, no? Ang gaganda po ng planner ninyo. Sana next year, baka naman. So, yan. Next page natin. Personal information. They have this socials kung saan mo sila pwede i-follow. And then your own personal information for this upcoming 2026 kasi pa iba-iba. May nakalagay dito na allergies, blood type, so mga ganun. Then next is, so they have this Dear Suke, hindi ko nababasahin since limited time lang tayo. It's time to breathe life into your plans and turn your vision into reality. Wow, that's deep, Mercury Drug, that's deep. And then we have this 2026 calendar, full calendar na may holidays na. And may 2025 din para if ever na kailangan mo at 2027 na calendar din. Which is very nice. Then the next is yan na, yung typical na February, January, February, kung saan mo pwede ilagay yung mga, ang nilalagay namin ni wife dito is mga birthdays eh. And yung mga big events namin para organize siya. So until December 2026. And then this one, Dreams in Motion. Let each page your turn tell the story of your commitment to show up. Again, wow. So last year, di ko siya ganun kagusto kasi parang regarding sa ibang team eh. So ito, ayan, bumalik na naman sila sa dreams, sa vision, sa planning talaga ng life to success. So yan. After this one, may bookmark pa rin sila nito, yung this slide. Bukod pa dito no, sa magnetic. So, own your passions. Yan. Ang dami kasi activity nito no, ni Mercury. Yan. So, may mga notes sila kapag gusto mo ng blank notes. Yan, meron sila. Maraming pages din. And then, before kasi may stickers. Oh, so, check natin sa dulo. Oh, ang dami. Oh. And then, from sa mga blank page, may mga activities siya na iba-iba. So, madami to activities. So, may ascend conversations. So, madami kang pwedeng gawin dito. Sobrang solid dito ni Mercury. Leave healthy footprints. May ganyan din sila. So, if you are a Mercury drug Suki card holder, you should get this one. Tapos, meron silang Financial Growth Island. Grabe. May active income, may passive income. Tapos, meron silang wealth journey. Ang daming activities na pwede mong gawin dito na nakakaaliw. And then, meron silang scroll your feed with peace. Meron sila ng light up your productivity. And then, meron silang budget tracker. Ito, lagi may budget tracker. Nakakatuwa to. Every month may budget tracker. Sobrang ganda. Ayan ang pinakagusto natin. Stickers. So, meron siyang stickers dito sa huli. And then yan, yung stickers ng Mercury Drug. So, it's more about shoot for the stars, rise and thrive. More like talagang being a dreamer. And of course, turning it into a reality. So, if wala ka pa nito, kumuha ka na, limited stocks na lang, yellow na lang yung titira sa isang branch na napuntahan ko. So, if you guys have question, let me comment down below.